Good afternoon, peeps. So the video you're about to watch, I'm talking about these plants right here. These are irises, but I'll be referring to them as ferns because I didn't know. I'm not that smart, I guess, and my wife explained to me these are not ferns, these are irises. So the planting that I do of these irises, you'll see here in the video. Just remember, when I say ferns, I mean irises. Thanks for watching. Bye. Good afternoon, gentle peeps. So today I am going to plant some more of these ferns in this area. I put up these pavers here, and I'm going to fill this with some dirt. And I pulled out some big giant rocks that were in here for decoration. So I'm going to fill it with some peat humus. If I say it right, peat humus, and some topsoil and some cow manure. Mix it together, and then I'm going to replant these ferns, and I'm gonna plant a few more ferns in here, and we'll see what it looks like. Thanks for watching. All right, I got 4 40 bag pounds of topsoil. I have 1 40-pound bag of manure, cow manure compost, and 1 40-pound bag of peat humus. And I'm gonna mix them together and put them in here. I took out the other ferns that were over here, unplanted those, popped them out, cleaned up a little bit, and about to put them in here and see what we think. Kiva, she likes the dirt. She likes it a little too much. Get out of the dirt. All right. Thanks for watching. Alrighty. So I busted all those bags up, mixed them together, and put it there. I wish I had about 5 or 6 more bags, so I could have kind of gotten there a little bit. But we'll go for this for now, and I'm fixing to replant some ferns in here, and we'll see what it looks like once I get the ferns in. All right. Appreciate it. Alrighty, I got them in. So all the ferns are in. They're planted. I cut tomato plant cages and cut them and put them in front. Hopefully that will keep the dogs from digging in there and digging them up and eating them, because they're known for that. But there's our ferns, and we'll see how they grow now that they're all in. Give you a little better view right there. So those are my wife's grandmother's ferns. She passed away a few years ago, and her name was Beulah Wade. And so this is the Beulah Wade memorial kind of thing at our house. Kind of neat. So those were her ferns from her house, her grandmother's house, for my wife. So anyway, just a good memory. So again, thanks for watching, and appreciate it.